Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We got a great shave for you. This is going to be giveaway announcement winner video, all that good stuff. One thing I want to mention up front is I did finally get a TRC affiliate link. I was like, you know what, let's just do it. I always link their stuff anyways. So if you do go to checkout and you want to help support the channel, just use MTB. I'll put it right there. And that is the promo code or whatever to give me credit that I sent you there, however you want to put it. But I also I will link the products below, and if you click on those, that is an affiliate link as well for the razor company, and I will mark affiliate next to it like I did with all the PAA. Now that we've got the disclaimer out of the way, we are using James by First Line Shave. Great scent. Haven't used it in a while, kind of forgot about it. It definitely got kept when I was cleaning out the cabinet of all the soaps. And it's a great soap. Scent notes, you get peach, and then it's very cologne-y, well blended. I can't really go into all the details because it's just, I can't smell all the differences. But the one thing I can tell you is you do get peach up front, and then you get a nice cologne-y kind of, not bright, but kind of warmer. It's very nice, great date night scent in my opinion. Excuse me. We're using somewhat vintage. I think this is 90s shave brush, Old Spice, Boar. I'll tell you what I did. I tub loaded and then lathered it up in this. We added a lot of water. We're just gonna see how it goes. I know this soap, even if I get it super thin, it's gonna perform well. But I wanted to give it the old college try on this technique where you load from the tub and then you build the lather in the bowl. It's not something I'm normally really good at, but I figured this soap will be fine on slickness. We are using straight razor. I still want to sell this straight razor in a way because I definitely could use the Kazash, but if it doesn't sell, it doesn't sell. But I'm going to go ahead and use it to kind of kick off some straight razor shaves I'm going to do this month. We're going to do a little bit more straight razor shaving. So we're going to flinging lather everywhere. It is a strong ass scent. It's great. Really amazing scent. I'm going to take this and we're going to paint in just a little bit more water. It's a little thicker than I thought it was going to be. But I like a little bit more hydration for my straight razor shaves. I am not as good as Maddie and all them. So I need all the edge I can get. When your technique is not on point, there's still a little oil on this razor. It looks like. Should have hung a gray towel over here so it would have been easier. But we're gonna use the Drew Dick 7/8 near wedge, quarter hollow, something like that. Damascus, canister Damascus. I think this was made out of a steel cable. Yeah, scorpion's tail, really sweet. If you're interested, you can hit me up. It is for sale on Murphy and McNeil. If you don't want to pay the Murphy and McNeil price and would like to make an offer, you can hit me up. Instagram, Facebook, easy to find. It's just blooping. Still got a great edge. I stropped it about 40 times. Probably should have stropped it more. I stopped counting around 30. I was just like, you know what? I'm done. I'm done. A few more times I was like, I'm done. You would call this a Western cami. Fixed blade straight razor. No one buys this. Next week or so, it may get sent off to David Gonzalez. He can try to shave with it. He's never shaved with it. And it's a fun, different razor to use. Not a lot of people have razors like this or get the opportunity to. And he likes using different shaving stuff. And you know, that's where he gets his rocks off. It's not on software. His is brushes and hardware. I agree. I just can't afford it anymore. And brushes obviously are hardware. I mean, like razors and brushes, these are things he enjoys. He still enjoys straight razors. But to buy really nice straight razor, custom, it's pricey AF, man. So you can't like just sit there and keep buying straight razors nonstop. I cannot see right now. We are using the force. I'm just seeing that I'm making the lather go away. I can't see anything else. Trying to keep the angle good. Guess I could have brought my glasses back down. Guys, banging scent though. Alright, Patrick. I'm not going to try to mess up your name, but you were the one that won the giveaway. Hit me up. If you don't have Instagram or Facebook, comment below and I will give you my email address. Just the Barbaric Shaving Enterprises. I don't know that I have access to anymore right now. Like, I don't know if I remember the password or anything like that, and I just don't want to give out my other email unless absolutely necessary. Nothing against you, just, the only way to do that would be for everybody to get to see it. And then I'll get like these random emails, hey, we want you to promote this product, we think you're great, and it's like, okay, go F yourself. I'm not promoting your shitty product. Like, what do Spanx have to do with my channel? You know, that type thing. I don't think that's going to reach to my demographic. I do have some bristles I'm noticing. In the lather. It was a little hard to get that started. Did y'all notice? I think I might have a memory line right there. Yeah, it's probably not going to be a perfect shave. It's alright. It's alright. Still bold and banging scent. And guys, I'm thinking about taking stuff down off Murphy and McNeil. Like a lot of these slightly used soaps. And just saying, hey, we're going to do a giveaway. Feels a little toothy there against the grain. Might have should have dropped it more, or maybe the edge is just finally on its way out. Yeah. Feels a little rough right there. Like the way that felt right there. If that was my edge, I wouldn't have been happy with it. But do understand, this edge has been around 2 years. almost 3. And I've probably shaved it like 30 or so times. It should be on its way out. I mean, realistically. So David, hopefully no one buys it, and then you get an opportunity to hone this and shave with it. You notice I talk to other people like they're watching, and they're probably not. It's just what I do. In case they do watch. Because, like I said, I'm going to send David a few. Jesus of Vegans. That's the way we're going to go with it. Anyways, guys, y'all know the drill. We're going to rinse up. We'll be right back. All right, everybody, we are back. Just so you didn't know, I do have this margarita, and all the way through the shave, I didn't even use it. Didn't even introduce it. Sorry about that, guys. Piece of hair. Whew. Ooh, that one's stout. Whew. Just one. That's all we're having. All right, James. Sexy bottle. Love it. Look at that. Shiny. Collects fingerprints, though. Still sexy. Industry standard restrictor. As my boy DK would say. I guess the place I did open up the other day or whatever is open again. Feels a lot closer than I thought it was going to be. But we did get a good shave. Still going to send it off to be honed. I think that's a great idea. But dude, James, pick it up. First line shave, great base. I don't know if they've updated since this one. I think this is, I don't know, this is their 3.0 or V3, I can't remember. And if you want, like when they do a new release, and if you buy it from First Line Shave directly, they have the bigger bottles for the same price. And it's like limited edition for like their first run of that release. So really cool to pick up. Saponificio Veracino Shaving Grail. Love this thing. This was a gift from Chris Maiden. Thank you, Chris Maiden. From Another Cut Above. We will link him below and see if he pops in, because it does kind of tag you when someone links you in the description. David Gonzalez, he's going to be down there too. Kind of flung some water on the camera. There we go, guys. I did wipe it clean. Though that edge looks a little hazy. But we wiped it clean. Okay, I may need to wipe it a little closer next time. But yeah, this is the razor. It is a beauty, man. And it's not as hard to shave with the more you get used to it. That's why I wanted to do it, because I do like using Western Camisori and trying to make some things, you know, get better at some skill sets. Some things I don't care about, some things I'm like, hey, let's challenge ourselves. And again, Old Spice, vintage brush from like the 90s. So, all right, guys, congratulate Patrick in the comments below, and I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I will catch you later.